Welcome back to the Guy Reviews channel with Luke. Today we're going to be diving into a new USB dongle that allows you to turn your CarPlay adapter on your car into a wireless adapter. Now this is targeting older cars that only work with a wired connection to your phone, which is great for CarPlay, but let's be honest, we don't always want to plug our phone in every time we get in the car, so we can use the CarPlay feature on our car. This little dongle allows you to wirelessly connect, just like newer cars will, in an older car. We're going to break down the pros and cons of this, let you know everything you need to know about and more with it. First though, a few disclaimers. This was a review unit sent to us, but they don't get to see this review until it goes live. They're watching it here just like you are. Second, pricing on this changes so rapidly, I hate to give you a price, have it be wrong. I'll put a link to it in the show notes and in the first pinned comment on Amazon, so you can read it there for yourself and come up with your own opinions. I'd love to hear from you. And lastly, if you like what we do, please consider hitting that subscribe button, hitting that thumbs up. Doing one or both lets YouTube know you enjoy what we do here. With that said, let's dive into it. Taking a look at the actual device, it's very small. Fits into a USB port. There is an adapter here. If your car supports a USB-C, you can use the adapter to turn this into a USB-C. Not a lot to say on it beyond, you just plug this into the car port in your car, and then you wirelessly connect it to your phone, and you pair it there to start the setup. Let's take a look at everything that came with this. I'm going to talk about a few important things with this. Starting off, as you look at everything that came with it, the starter guide and more, your car needs to be CarPlay supportive. So this is not going to take a car with no CarPlay support and add it. This will take a car that has a wired CarPlay support and make it wireless. That's all it's doing. This only works with Apple's standard. It is not Android Auto compatible with that. So it's important to know that you have an iOS device, an iPhone, that you're connecting this to, not an Android phone. There are other adapters like this for Android devices I've reviewed in the past and used. They're very nice. A few other things with this. Very easy to set up. Once you set up once, it auto connects. We've had no problems in running it and using the device. With that though, it is slower than connecting it through either the car's own wireless connection or through a USB cable. It doesn't take long, but it is a little noticeable that when you start the car, it takes, 10-30 seconds. Usually by the time I'm already backing out of my car space, getting out of the driveway or getting moving, then my connection happens. It's fairly quick, but it does take a moment to connect. The connection's been stable. We've had no problems with it dropping a connection and staying connected with it. It is really nice, like I said, especially if you do something like Grubhub or Uber Eats or another thing and you're constantly in and out of your car. You don't want to be reconnecting your phone all the time, or you're in a sales job and you're in and out of your car a lot. It's very nice to have a dongle like this to quickly connect. I'll be honest, I don't know what I would do without Android Auto or CarPlay. Google Maps is a must for me at this point to know where the traffic is and the other issues. So if you have an older car and you're getting sick of constantly plugging in the cable, this is a great one to do. Just remember a few catches here. This adapter only works with iOS and CarPlay. Your car itself has already support CarPlay through a wired connection. It's not going to give you CarPlay if your car doesn't support it. And then you basically plug this into the same port you would through a wired cable with it. Overall, 2 thumbs up. Very nice little device. Great form factor. I love the size. I've tested out other ones that were significantly larger. I like how small this is. And it just kind of vanishes into the backdrop. So it's a nice little feature there. Overall, 2 thumbs up. Link in the show notes down below and in the first pinned comment if you want to find it on Amazon there. If you like what we do, hit that subscribe button, hit that thumbs up. We would really appreciate your support. We post hundreds of reviews just like this one, helping you find the right products for you. Until next time, take care, be safe. I'll be back again real soon.